My name's John. I live here in Eagle, Idaho. My girlfriend and I, we got our house a year ago. When we purchased the house, we had probably 5 different types of flooring. The entryway, the kitchen, the half bath was tile. We had engineered hardwood flooring here in the family room, in the office, brown Berber type carpet in the master bedroom and the closet. And then upstairs, it was white carpet. We wanted one type of flooring only in the house. When Daniel came out, what he envisioned in here was the same what we thought too, and this is the outcome. It came out beautiful. He brought some samples. He asked us what we wanted. We also asked him thoughts on how he saw it too, because it's like we wanted one thing, but we wanted to make sure that when you walked in the house, everything flowed. Daniel gave us ideas that we both liked. When he gave us a quote, he didn't push and say, want us to sign on the dotted line that day. We were able to take and think about it because everything was there. We knew what the timeline would be, and it was picking the best timeline that worked for both of us. We have, 3,300 square foot house. It was a 2-week whole process. We moved out of the house for 2.5 weeks. They came in on a Monday and they started demo, and the following Friday the floor was in, the 3 coats were on the floor, and then we started slowly moving back in the week before Thanksgiving. For the amount of work that had to be done in this house and the time that they did it, they were outstanding. They were a great group of guys. If anybody wanted hardwood floors, I would definitely recommend Heritage Hardwood Flooring.